Hey guys, we're doing Land Rover windshield repair, and if you've seen my other video from today, this is Lake Travis Mold Glass, by the way. We've got our sidekick here, Tank. Say hi, Tank. All right, and we're gonna fix this windshield here. If I can show you, it is a fully heated windshield. This is Land Rover Discovery Sport, and the entire windshield has those fine wire, hair-like squiggly lines you can see. Let me get this to focus better. There we go. See the wires through there. So our normal way of repairing this with the drilling, we're going to have to be very careful. Just drill just a little bit at the top and not go all the way through so we don't break one of those wires. And then it might take us a little bit longer to fill, but we're going to make sure we don't damage the windshield while we do this repair. That's the beginning. I'll show you the middle and the end. Thank you for watching. Oh, and by the way, yes, we are in Rough Hollow area out by Lake Travis here. All right, we cleaned up the damaged spot and we set up our bridge assembly here, right over the top of where the rock impact point was, right in the center, as you can see. Now we're going to put some of the liquid glass or resin, the glue, into here. It's liquid at first, and under pressure we're going to force it into that crack, and we'll show you that process here in just a second. Alrighty, now what I'd like to show you is as we force the resin down through the barrel into the damaged area, those lines should start to diminish in appearance. You can actually see the resin flowing through the crack. So the key is to force the resin in without forcing the crack to get larger, so not too much pressure. So from the center outward, you should start to see those lines disappearing. Slowly but surely. See how they're starting to disappear? Now the lines are not gone, the crack is not gone, it's just diminished in appearance. So the glue is just filling in the damaged area. It does not uncrack the glass, it does not fuse the glass together. It just has basically glue in between the cracks that's going to hold it together. So if you think that it's going to disappear, it will not disappear, but it should greatly diminish in appearance. So give this some time. Just depends on the repair, but you should be able to see those cracks fully disappear before you apply UV light. The UV light is going to cure the glue, harden it. So until we apply UV light, that crack is just going to continue to fill with the resin. The resin is going to continue to move through fluidly. So we'll give that some time and then we'll apply the light. Okay, here's we are about 8 minutes or so later. Just allowed it to flow through that crack and fill in completely. So I'll give it another minute or two. I also use heat intermittently to help the resin move through the crack. But as you can see, it filled in completely. It's disappeared as much as it possibly can. So I'm going to apply light here in a second and we'll be back to show you the next step. Thanks for watching. Okay, we got it to fill in. Remove the bridge. Now what we're going to do is work on the surface. So there's pit filler we're going to put right there where that rock impacted and try to clean that up. So we'll show you the finished result here at the very end. Okay, here's your finished result. You can still see how, depending on the angle, you can see where the damage was. Sparkles still, if you will, but you can also tell that it filled in nicely. So we're getting it right there, but
definitely hard for it to lock in. So there it is.
And that is windshield repair on the Land Rover. Thanks for watching.